They weren't always like this. The one who screams at shadows, who laughs in silence, who talks to no one but hears everything. There was a time when they were just a child. Innocent, curious, fragile. But life doesn't care about innocence. It started at home. A father who drank more than he spoke, a mother who cried more than she smiled. Doors slammed louder than lullabies. Silence was never peace. It was fear waiting to strike. School wasn't a sanctuary either. Kids mocked the clothes they wore. Teachers ignored the bruises they didn't know how to ask about. They sat alone and watched others play and slowly began to wonder, is it me? Then came the betrayal. The one person they trusted broke them. A friend, a relative, a protector. Someone who should have held their hand, but chose to leave scars instead. They stopped talking. They stopped trusting. They stopped dreaming. And that's when the mind began to build walls to protect, to survive, to lock the pain somewhere so deep, even they couldn't find it. But pain doesn't stay buried. It seeps through the cracks, whispers in the night. It turns memories into nightmares and shadows into threats. Years passed, they wore masks. They pretended. They smiled at the world while falling apart inside, till one day the mask cracked. It's one scream, one outburst, one moment of madness, and the world called them crazy. But they weren't crazy. They were wounded. Broken by the very world that now pointed fingers. The truth is, no one just goes crazy. They are pushed, bit by bit, until there's nothing left to hold on to. So next time you see someone lost in their own world, don't judge. Don't mock. Don't turn away. Because behind every crazy person is a brutal story no one bothered to hear.